For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Ki nong yalam jong geseng Kongres ha Meghalaya ha kakat sauterik urampang arajar arpulai. Kilalit ujor ho Chief Electoral Officer Kajela uba FR Karkongor persya ya ke Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women ikong Pidalia Toy. Halor kejingdan benta berukurtong ke NPP uba Wailadmiki Shylla ke por bulet bentep kerteng bani konik election. Keseng Kongres Dawa badai Weng no Mardor ya ikong Pidalia Toy nakakam Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Bat kilong badai ban Disqualify no ne ban mat kerteng no ukurtong ke NPP uba Wailadmiki Shylla namar gajing penkenya ke Model Code of Conduct bat ya ke Representation of People's Act kak kendai sepaksan puwei. Ki nong ilam ke Kongres Dawa no Chief Electoral Officer bo ude bencim kia halor gajing ta eki poster jong Menteri Rang Bado keri Narendra Modi bat Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar Pedang Amit Shah ha ki kenro jong ki office Sorkar bat eki post elektrik Sorkar ke belong gajing penken ya ke Code of Conduct. Bat kila Dawa badai Weng no Mardor kini ki poster. Ka Presiden jong ke Mahila Kongres ikong Joplin Scott Shylla bat ka Media Coordinator jong ke All India Congress Committee ka Bobita Sharma kili thu banakaliang u Chief Electoral Officer lokular bencim kia kini gijing ujor bat unsele ya ke badan kam.
Namanta i Chairperson jong ke Women's Commission ba idon benta hakajing file nomination jong iwe candidate jong ke party NPP ha West Giant Hills iba Wailadmiki Shylla niwan ujor dikata ke kami ba kide ba Weng no iaka post naka-post jong Chairperson.
We want the candidate to be disqualified,
Yeah.
as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the Indian Member Citizen Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is a clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson's, the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That's our demand.
Yes. We have also brought a second factor into the notice of the Chief Electoral Officer. All over this Shillong city, the posters of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are displayed on the government buildings and on the government poles, electrical poles. So we requested them to take action to remove those posters immediately because it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
And what was the assurance from the CEO?
They said 100% they will verify and take
Investigating the
action.
matter and they will take cognizance.
Yeah.
They have taken cognizance of the event and they will take
look into
action
the
on that.
matter. Yeah.
Always we hope because the election commission will act according to the law and the election rules. We hope the election commission will take necessary action and immediate action against these violations.
Yes, that's right.